The Cali76 is a 60s style FET compressor, inspired by the legendary Yuri 1176. We brought the sonic properties of the 1176 into the scope of the average guitar geek in various pedal formats over the years. Our transformer-equipped TX series through to the Cali76 Compact Deluxe. All have won awards and attracted a following from artists such as Dave Gilmour, Pete Townsend and Radiohead. We've now taken the Cali76 concept even further with the Cali76 Stacked Edition. This new pedal stacks one Cali76 into another and allows users to combine two distinct flavours of compression, one to add sustain and fullness, and the other to subtly limit any stray peaks, for example. The new design offers independent attack and release controls for the first and second stages to compression, plus the gold Thru knob which determines how much signal is fed from the first compressor to the second. Independent LED metering for each Cali76 stage allows the compression to be dialed in exactly where you need it. Each compressor is set up for a different task, with the first stage gently evening out dynamics and the second stage clamping down and limiting peaks. A classic studio technique. All the fun of an overdrive without the distortion. Maximum sensitivity for easy legato licks and sustain for days. Solos project through the mix with full clarity and tone. Compressors can fight your dynamics. Cranking up the dry control gives you back dynamic control. Now take a shimmering, compressed guitar sound and blend in just enough to enhance your natural tone.